Everybody, Zev Braun here with Dominic Fontaine Associates. Have you been looking for perfect blend of location, but tucked away like you can't find it? Well, I have something for you. So 4482 Edwin Drive Northwest. It's in Canton, Ohio, 44718. It's Jackson School District, Jackson Township. It's a really awesome ranch that's privately tucked away on approximately an acre and a half of wooded land. Really close to Belden Village, Fulton, the highway, so all the conveniences. But what you have here is a brick ranch. There are about 1,600 square feet with the sunroom, which is a really awesome feature to hang out there, check out the beautiful backyard, serene feeling. You got 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, blank slate of a basement that maybe you can turn into your own rec space, entertainment space. But really, this home's looking for somebody that's got a little bit of vision, wherewithal to turn it into their own, customize it however they like. So if you want to learn a little bit more about this, check it out. Make a private showing, reach out to me or our team at 330 933 3258.